If you've ever been annoyed that your new Google Form responses show up at the bottom of your Google Sheet instead of the top, this video is for you. So right now, when a new Google Form response comes in, it'll get sent all the way to the bottom of the connected sheet. That means every time you want to see the newest responses, you either have to scroll down or sort things manually every single time. So here's an easy fix. Click on Extensions in the File menu, select Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. Type in Form Response Auto Sorter, and you'll select this option right here. I already have it installed, but if you don't, you're going to see an install button right here. Go ahead and click on that. And once it's installed, you'll go back to the extensions menu, scroll down and select Form Response Auto Sorter. And that'll open a sidebar right over here. From here, you can choose how you want your responses automatically sorted. I'm going to select timestamp newest to oldest and then enable automatic sorting. Now all of my responses are automatically sorted based on that choice. You can see that most recent Google Form response is now right at the top. And the best part is any future Google Form responses will show up at the top too. So let's fill out the form one more time so you can see this in action. Keep an eye at the top right over here, and there it is. You can also choose to auto sort by a different column. This drop down here will pull in any of your other column titles, so you could sort alphabetically by last name, first name, whatever works best for you. So as you can see, this is a huge time saver, but one quick note is that it only works with Google Form responses. It won't auto sort if you manually type into the Google Sheet. It's designed specifically to work with Google Forms. So that is how you can automatically sort your Google Form responses in Google Sheets. Enjoy!